Okay. So, Mr. Sanders, listen, blank kilogram book, blank meters into the air on Earth, only including the Earth in the book and the system. How much work is done on the book? Excuse me. Sorry. Okay. Let's do an LOL. Now, we have the book and the Earth in the system. The person is not in the system, right? So what kind of energy gets added to my book? It's gravitational potential, PEG. Now, that energy has to come from somewhere. That energy is my work. So work, in this case, is just equal to PEG, which is mgh. So just plug in your values for mgh. And you get your work. All right, a spring is compressed by 0.3 meters. Only including the spring in the system. How much work was done on the spring? Well, we compressed that spring. We're storing elastic potential energy. PEE. Sorry, that looks sketchy there. PEE. Okay. Now, work has to come in to that system. So here, work is equal to PEE, which is 1/2 K delta X squared is equal to work. Just put in your values for K. Everybody has the same delta X value, and you will get your answer. Okay, now, 3 was a little tricky, but if you did that thing, that energy bar graphs assignment that we did together, and I posted all the answers to Schoology. If you did that, it shouldn't be too bad. Okay, we have a car moving at 50 meters per second, slowing to 25 meters per second due to friction over a length of 500 meters. How much work did friction do on the car? I'm seeing this and I'm remembering it. Okay, took a mental image of this. Okay, all right. So, we have the car, the Earth. Well, hold on. Let's just have car and road. Okay, now, do I have kinetic energy at the start? Okay, do I have as much or less kinetic energy at the end? We went from 50 to 25, so do I have more or less kinetic energy or the same? Less. Okay, now I lost some kinetic energy. The energy that I lose is work. So kinetic energy at point A is equal to work plus kinetic energy at point B. 1/2 mVA squared is equal to work plus 1/2 mVB squared. So here work is equal to 1/2 mVA squared minus 1/2 mVB squared. If you want to simplify even further, we can take out the 1/2 m and we get work is equal to 1/2 mVA squared minus VB squared. And if you put in your values there, you're going to get an answer for work. Now, once you have your value for work, work is equal to force times distance, right? And you know your distance, it's 500. So you're going to take your work and you're going to divide by 500 meters, which was your distance, and that will give you the force of friction. And there is the second page of the quiz.